Hi guys, rubber band powered car time again. This is one of my old cars. I've got it out of storage to answer a question from Wheels FPV. On one of my recent rubber band powered cars, I mentioned that you don't want to attach the rubber band to the axle. But you don't want to tie it to it. You want to wrap it round, but you don't want to tie it to it permanently. The reason you don't want to tie it to it permanently is you wind it up, and then when you let it go, it starts winding up again when it gets to the end. You actually want it to drop off so the car can freewheel. Because if it starts to wind back up again, what happens there is it makes the car come back to you. So if you're trying to do a distance, you want the car to carry on and freewheel, not come back to you. Now, in answer to his question, I said it was probably one of those things you really ought to try for yourself to understand it. And then I thought, well, we're talking about a 3D printed rubber band powered car. That was the one that he'd actually made the comment on, so I thought I ought to do one that would be easy for anybody to do, which is why we're using the cardboard box. So I'll put a link in the video description to the original video where I made this, but there really isn't much to it. So just punch holes through front and back for the axles to go through, and an extra hole there to put the rubber band through. And in this demonstration I've actually tied the rubber band to the axle. So we'll see how far it goes and how far it comes back. I'll just wind it up. No, wait a minute. I need the camera free so I can chase it. Right, we'll go wide angle. Wind it up. Get hold of the camera. Let it go. Okay, it's winding itself up again, and now it's coming back. Not coming back very fast, so it's not going to wind up in the other direction. So if you were measuring the distance you travelled, we've probably lost about a third of the distance because we've come back again. We'll try that again. I won't wind it up quite so much, and we'll see if we can get a bit of forwards backwards. Let's just try it about that much. That way. Yeah, we're not going to go any significant distance forwards and backwards. You could experiment making the car heavier or lighter. If it's heavier, it'll go further forwards, winding itself up, but it then needs to push against that weight to go backwards. So it is one you really want to try yourself. If you want to see how many returns you can do forwards and backwards, then you'll have to work on it. Just going to give it a little try with a shorter rubber band. Oh, we've got a little bit of back there. was slightly more impressive. Only slightly more impressive, but that was with a shorter rubber band. A bit more tension on it.